Hello, hello, hello. How's it going, guys? I apologize that this took a little bit to get started. Long story short, this is my laptop, but I let my sister use it for work because I'm just an awesome guy. So I had to run upstairs real quick and grab it from her. But, what am I doing? Oh, yeah. So, all of these videos have been popping up on YouTube the last couple of days of people looking back at 2020 and talking candidly about how much money YouTube has paid them over the last year. And it seems that they're getting a lot of views and a lot of people are doing them. So I'm going to hop on the trend and together we are going to look it up right now live and see in 2020 how much money I made from YouTube. So just log in real quick. This is embarrassing. Well, apparently, yeah, this is embarrassing. I lost money by running a YouTube channel last year. Well, maybe I won't put this video up. Oh, shit.